Alright, dito naman tayo kukuha sa downtown area ng aking lugar, sa Wendy's. Pinatay natin yung ating sasakyan kasi maraming tirador ng kanin lamig dito. Go ahead, man. Thank you. Thanks, bro.
Hello.
8631, please. Wendy's.
Is that Meta glasses?
Yeah.
Is it recording you?
Yeah, you're on my blog now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yo! Yo, what's the YouTube channel?
RJ More Power.
RJ Mocha?
Yeah.
I got you. I'm gonna see that.
Yeah. Nadali pa ako ng batang yun, Filipino. Natuwa siya sa ating ginagawa. Ay, buhay. +8. Ang ganda na ng panahon. Alright.